Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video, and if you're new to my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. Also, I do have a sister channel with my other two sisters, and we will be dropping a video soon, but I do also want to let people know and my subscribers on this video that we will be doing a giveaway. We're going to be giving away 6 backpacks. 3 boy backpacks and 3 girl backpacks, and they're going to be full of school supplies. So if you know a family or know anybody that might need it for their child, boy or girl, go ahead and leave their name or Instagram or social media down below so we can enter them in a drawing. And on our sister channel, which I will also link down below, we will be doing a giveaway on that channel. So go ahead and subscribe here and subscribe there. But anyways, today I'm going to be doing a quick how I straighten my hair video, from curly to straight, because I think I did do a curly routine, but I might need to update that. But as you can see, if you can tell, I did cut it a little bit. I'm thinking of doing the big chop. I'm not sure because I'm trying to get my curls back, and the front part, it just does not curl the same. But anyway, so if you want to see how I get from this to bone straight, then go ahead and keep on watching.
I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty, yeah. Acting stupid, what's happening? Bitch, what's happening? Bitch, I'm a savage, yeah.
Okay, so first I'm going to start off with some of the products that I use. Clearly my flat iron, and this is like a 1 inch or ½ inch flat iron. I got this from Walmart. They have a purple one and they have a black one. The purple one I think gets to 400 and this one gets 450. If I can find it, I'll link it down below, but I think this one was like $20, maybe like $30 or $40, I'm not sure, but if I find it, I'll link it down below. And as I stated, this one gets to $450, but I like them thin because I can do piece by piece to make sure that I get it completely straight how I like it. And I'm also going to use a big tooth or wide tooth comb just to comb out my hair, and I'll also use a rat tail comb just so that way I can part as accurate as I can. And then towards the end, just to lay my edges, I have an edge brush that also has like a little rat tail at the end, so that way I can make sure I have an accurate part. And I also use this Fantasia heat protectant straightening serum just to keep my hair from being heat damaged, because the front part is already damaged, but as I stated, I'm probably going to do a big chop, so I need it to be straight for when they cut it. And I'm also going to use my blow dryer. I did get this one from Walmart maybe like 2 or 3 years ago, but it's Kiss brand, and it came with 2 of these little combs to help blow dry it out, and it kind of pre-straightens my hair so that way after I comb it out, it's easier and quicker for me to flat iron. And yeah, I usually use it on hot with the strongest blowing. And then I also, in order to, if you see me looking up, it's because my TV is right there and I'm actually watching This Is LNS. But anyways, I also use these little satin scrunchies just to divide my hair to make it go through faster, because even though my hair is short, it's really thick, especially the back part, because I'm trying to go natural. So yeah, anyway, so let's go ahead and get into it. First, I just get like a little bit of this in my hand, rub it around, and I kind of just work it through my hair. This also keeps it from burning, and my hair won't smell like burnt hair or flat iron. I also clean my flat iron very often with rubbing alcohol just to clean off the plates, because sometimes I might have like leftover product in my hair and stuff like that, but I don't want it to stink, so I need a little bit more. And I did wash my hair today, so I actually shampooed, I didn't condition today because it's been so hot and my scalp and stuff's been getting really oily. So yeah, once I work that completely into my hair, I go in with the wide tooth comb and just kind of comb out any tangles. Okay, so once I kind of detangle it and it fluffs out any excess or dead hair, I just kind of put to the side to throw away later. But I'm gonna go ahead and go on my blow dryer, and I like to turn this sideways so that way I can hold it here and just kind of blow through. Let me take my glasses off. hopefully my niece doesn't wake up because she's actually back here taking a nap. So put it on hot, and then she's moving. Okay, so as you see, me using my blow dryer, it did kind of straighten it out a little bit and like lengthen my hair. It does look a little uneven because got hair in my mouth. But at this point, I'm kind of just over my hair, but I'm not bold enough to do like really short hair. I need a little hang time, but it is uneven. This is Hair, Skin, and Nails with biotin and keratin nourishing complex. This comes with 60 capsules, and you take 2 a day. And as a matter of fact, I didn't take any today, so I can go ahead and take them out and show you guys. And they're just purple, like pills. You just take both of them with a cup of water. 2 pills a day. Okay. So usually while I'm blow drying my hair, I typically warm up my flat iron. So let me go ahead and turn that on. So my flat iron is plugged up, and it only comes with 3 buttons on the side: power, lower the heat, and higher the heat. You just hold the power button and it comes on, and as you can see, it starts off with 380, and I like to go up to the highest heat, which is 450, only because I can only do like 1 or 2 passes. So while that's warming up, I typically get my rat tail comb and part as accurately as I can down the middle. And my flat iron typically does like a little beep 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 or something once it gets to like its highest point of heat, or when it's done. My flat iron pretty much preheats like an oven. So since I'm right-handed, I typically do my left side better than my right side. So I always start on the right side because I kind of get lazy when I get to the right side. So I get the little satin scrunchie, part my hair in 2, make sure it's out the way, and I do have 2 scrunchies left, but actually I'm gonna go ahead and use a banana clip, just so that way as I'm parting, I can leave out the part that I'm straightening, but I can also clip up the part that I'm not straightening, so that way it's not in the way. So I'll go ahead and do like another part behind my ear to the middle of my head, and put the front half in a scrunchie. And then it gets really hot on my flat iron, but whatever. Anyway, now that I have the part hanging out, I dropped my clip. So now I just get my rat tail, and I kind of I start from the out part and just kind of work my way in, and I don't really part it all the way. I just kind of go like that, get my little clip, clip the hair up, get my flat iron. I have to make sure I get my roots because, like I said, my hair is really thick. So I usually only have to do like 2 passes, and that's good. my middle school days, I was forced to bump my ends. I don't know if you guys might know what that means, but it's kind of like where you bump the end of your hair going in towards your ears with like earmuffs or something. I used to hate that.
But this one here, I am about to put on my neck, like right here. Because I got the short haircut and everything, y'all. I think this is going to be a
One long pass, comb through. Second pass, one more, and I usually go slow on the third one. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit.
Y'all, if this looks cute, I'm going to need y'all to come below. Comment below and let me know if yours should be a real necklace.
Basically, you want to fix it.
I can't see though.
You sure you know you hurt?
I want it on my neck.
Oh, damn, you hurt.
I don't know. Where's my neck? I can't see.
You got a lot of neck.
You right there?
Right there.
No, I don't know.
Really
Like,
flowy.
okay, this is what I want. I want it on my neck. Like,
Because I don't really like any product in my hair, because then my hair will start to feel stiff.
a little behind my ears. So
Start from the back and just kind of part down. Now the front part is a little bit harder because around my edges it's a little bit more thinner, and I usually lower the temperature when I get to the front because that hair is thinner than the back of my hair,
y'all get the gist. This is what Ken wants.
and I only like do 1 or 2 passes. My ends are always like that, but because I need another trim.
See if they work. See if it actually comes off.
Anyways.
Y'all have to call my mom. So I called her the first time I did the whole sleeve, and she believed. She was looking at me like, but I ain't gonna say that. And I was like, yes, I got a tattoo. And my best friend was here, and she was like, yeah, I went with her. And I went, was your stern? And then I was like, it's fake, mom. And she was like, woo! So hopefully she believed me this time. I don't think she would. I don't think she believed that the girl got naked. But I'm debating because
My niece is doing really good. She's still
she
asleep.
is Tuesday, my mom be working, she's gonna work. So she may or may not.
Now to my last front piece. And when I do this one, I like to kind of split it in half in the middle, like 2 parts, and then kind of pull this one towards the back. I used to have bangs a few years ago, so that's why my front is always so short. And then I've had layers, and I had a bob, so my hair is just all type of messed up. But I'm trying to get it back.
Your girl is dressed and ready to put it out. I already know your girl got on the stinky food, you know.
Okay, and there we go. Now this part I do kind of like bump it in so that way it can go around the frame of my face. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and do this front side off camera, and I'll come back to you guys when I'm finished. Okay guys, and here is the finished product. I went ahead and flat ironed the other front side off camera, and I do have a little bit of flyaways, but since most likely I'm gonna have to touch it up in the morning when I wake up before work, I'm really not gonna stress the flyaways. But just a little bit of this heat protectant. My hair is still movie and flowy, and it doesn't look heavy or weighed down. I really love this stuff, and it doesn't smell. It doesn't have my hair smelling burnt. My hair actually, I can feel my scalp. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. If you want to see more videos like this, then go ahead and comment down below. Maybe if you use some products when you straighten your hair, then go ahead and let me know, so maybe I can do a tryout. Is that what it would be called? On straight hair products. And I will most definitely get that done for you guys. So once again, don't forget to click that subscribe button and the bell to be notified whenever I post new videos. And don't forget to follow me on other social media platforms, will be linked down below. And also please do not forget to subscribe to my sister channel and nominate any families that might be in need. They can have a chance to win a backpack. And if this giveaway goes well on our sister channel, we will try our best to try to do a giveaway like every other few weeks or very often. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.
Bye.